You have killed many fish.
Oh yes, I am one of the biggest. Perhaps, in fact, I am the most renowned killer of fish in the whole United States. On behalf of us.
Okay. I dance with you, but I won't let you sleep with me.
Who asked you?
You don't want to sleep with me?
I don't want to dance with you.
You're crazy. What shall you put your hands behind?
My name is Yosarian.
What shall you put your hands, Yosarian?
Jesus, honey.
Alright.
Germans.
Americano. You do not want me now.
What are you talking about? I want you now. I want everything. I want you to marry me.
You're crazy.
Why am I crazy?
You can't want to marry me.
Why not?
Because I'm not a virgin.
What's that got to do with it?
Nobody wants to marry with a girl who's not a virgin.
I do. I want to marry you.
Not possible.
Why not?
Because you're crazy.
Why am I crazy?
Because you want to marry me.
Wait, you won't marry me because I'm crazy, and you say I'm crazy because I want to marry you, right?
See?
You're crazy.
Why?
Because I love you. Ti amo molto.
How can you love a girl who is not a virgin?
Because I can't marry you.
Why you can't marry me? Just because we're not a virgin?
No. Because you're crazy.
You're crazy.
You're crazy.
You are crazy.
Why are we crazy?
Because you